I will be shaving half of my face for 7 days to see if it helps in making the product absorption any better and if my hair are gonna grow back thicker.
This side looks so much glowy.
Let's find out. So guys, here I have a little disclaimer to make that I have lots of hair on my face and this is how we Indians are usually. I have shaved my face before, but this is the first time that I'll be shaving half of my face because I want to compare the thickness of hair, because this is a usual misconception people have that whenever they shave their faces the hair grow back thicker. So you need to hold your skin taut in small strokes, just shave it off.
So guys, it has already been 24 hours since I last shaved my face, and yes, when I shaved my face immediately it started to feel a little bit tingly and the skin was a little bit irritated, but yes, it was worth it in the morning. The skin feels super smooth, the makeup application is stunning. Okay, now I am going to show you the half of my face which has not been shaved and half of my face which is shaved.
Now I am gonna leave this up to you guys to decide which side looks better. I obviously know the answer. Now on day 3 I want you to dry shave. I usually apply oil when I shave my face because there weren't much of hair, so I do not want to over exfoliate my skin. For that reasons I just went for serum after the end of this. And now here are some facts. Now guys, shaving your face remove hair debris, excess oil, dead skin cells, and it can even brighten the look of your skin. This helps in makeup to go smoothly and last longer. Self-confidence. So it really helps in making your makeup stay put. This is something which has already been mentioned, because whenever you shave your face you have a clean canvas.
Something for all the ladies out there. And now I want to talk about Peesafe menstrual cup. If you do not know what it is, I am here to tell you guys about it. It's a little cup which is made up of silicone, and you just need to insert it inside your vagina when you are on your periods, and it is gonna collect all your period blood. You can let it stay there for 8 to 10 hours. I know this thought sounds very scary, even it scared hell out of me when I heard about it for the first time. But this is the best decision I ever made for my period. It comes in different sizes according to your convenience. You do not have to rush to the market every time to buy pads and tampons, and it is amazing for environment because you are not gonna produce any kind of plastic waste in your period routine. So you must check it out. I am going to give the product link in the description box below. Please go and check it out. So guys, I have this little thing right here and I am going to be using it to check if the half of my face which is shaved, the hair are thicker there or not. Let's find out. Guys, I have my laptop right here and we are going to be comparing both sides under the microscope, okay? So by seeing this, I don't even feel like I have shaved my face because I can see a lot of hair. But the ends are blunt. And about the thickness, we can get to know once we compare it to the other side. So let's move on to the other side. The face under the microscope, even that is very hairy. So what is the use of doing it? I don't know. Oh my god. If you look clearly, this is the hairy face. Oh god, this is like really hairy. I feel like a bear already. But there is nothing wrong with this thickness, right? The thickness is same. I mean, I wanted to make it like very clear to you guys that the thickness remains same. So you guys do not have to worry about shaving your faces and the hair are gonna grow back. Now this side looks so much smoother and so pretty. This side, hair, I look like a bear. So guys, today is the day 7 and we have came to the end of this experiment and I absolutely loved how it turned out to be. I will give it 10 on 10. Yes, I love how makeup sits on my half of my face. Not full because now I look like a bear on this side and what should I say, a jellyfish on this side, if that makes any sense. It is so smooth. The absorption of products are even better. This area, I don't know, the makeup doesn't look that good. The absorption of products, I don't know about that, but yes, this side definitely looks so much better. And this is pretty much it. I would recommend every one of you out there to try it out. If you are somebody hairy like me, 2 times is enough in a week. Otherwise, I guess 1 time is gonna be good. I hope you guys like the effort. If you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. I love you guys so much.